Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, let's learn how to make jingle bells. This is a perfect craft for this Christmas. Watch all the steps carefully till the end of the video to see how it is made. Now, let's get started and see what all materials do we need for this. First of all, we need a empty egg carton like this. Then we need some different color paints. It depends on your choice. We need a paintbrush, the palette for the colors. I have some bells over here, the string, a glitter to decorate the bells, and some beads. You can use any markers or anything to decorate your bells. So let's start. First, I take my carton and I'm going to cut it like this because we are going to use this part and this part for the bell. So just carefully cut it. You can take help from your adult if you're not able to cut this. And I'm going to cut it from the bottom so that it can stand like this. Let's make it even at the bottom. So we are ready with our first step. The next step is to color the bell. So for now, I'm going to use the red color for this. I suggest you to cover it as much as you can and don't dilute the paint because if you dilute it, it doesn't paint it well and you can see the carton color. So it's better that you cover it with the concentrated paint and don't dilute it. I'm using tempera paint for this. So the paint has been done. Now I'm going to use some glitter at this time because the paint is wet so that it can stick to it well. I'm going to leave it for drying. So when it dries up, it will look like this. I have made this before and now it dries up fully. I need a string like this. Or you can also use a ribbon if you have it at home. So it's up to you, whatever you can use. Then I'm going to need one bell. And I will tie one end of the bell like this. And then you can cut it as much as you want from here. I have already done one to show it to you that it is going to look like this. Can you see that? So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it in this. I'll take one bead, I'll take one bell here. And I leave little gap between this bell and the next one I'm going to tie. Okay. Then I'm going to put one bead in this string. Like this. Do you see the bell? And then after leaving a gap, I just tied one bead over here. And then I'm going to put this in a hole. All the egg cartons, they come in different shapes. Some have got some are small ones. So it's not necessary that you will get this shape all the time. And they have hole on the top. But if doesn't have a hole, then you can make a hole and then to pass the string. Now look at this. I hope you like this Jingle Bells. See you next time with another cool craft. Bye.
If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so that you can find my channel anytime and watch such videos. Don't forget to share and see you soon.